says it first noticed a problem a couple of months ago when several of its employees, who also shop here, noticed fraudulent charges on their credit cards. That's when the company says it launched an investigation.
As soon as we found out, we posted it on our website to make sure that all of our customers were informed.
An alert to customers on its website says it appears that criminals unscrupulously hacked our network system and installed a malware designed to capture payment card transaction data. Credit security expert Paul Oster says what's troubling about that is, unlike other breaches, the theft was happening in real time.
This was capturing the data as it was being transmitted to the banks for approval.
Eataly says it happened between January and April of this year. Spokesman Cleo Clark says it affected Eataly's markets, not the restaurants, and since then there's been a security overhaul.
We added specific procedures, protocols to ensure that this does not happen again.
Some regular customers are wondering why these protections weren't in place before.
A lot of people are just leaving the default security on whatever systems they buy instead of actually hiring somebody that knows security to actually give it a good overhaul and set it up the way it should be.
Your credit card can be compromised wherever you are. I think you run that risk wherever you shop, really.
Oster has this advice for just about anyone who shops with credit cards.
They need to protect themselves because obviously the federal government's not doing it, Eataly's not doing it, Chase, Target. So get involved in a credit monitoring program.
And the unfortunate reality is hackers rarely get brought to justice.
How are you going to prosecute somebody that's overseas and abroad? And again, with computer-based technology, they scramble IP addresses. It's very, very hard to find the original person who did this.
Eataly says both the NYPD and a private firm are investigating, and they do hope to find who's responsible. In the meantime, customers who may have been affected can sign up for a year of free protection services. In Chelsea, Sonia Rincon, CBS 2 News.